DELEM DA58Tx. System Introduction. DA58Tx features 2D graphical touchscreen programming, high-resolution color TFT, bend sequence calculation, crowning control, servo and frequency inverter control, advanced Y-axis control algorithms, for closed loop as well as open loop, valves, USB peripheral interfacing. Click Products. Click plus New to create a new product drawing. Set product name. Set sheet thickness. Choose the plate type, steel, zinc, aluminum or stainless steel. Then set the bending length. Here is the choice of inner size or outer size. Click Accept. Now you can draw 2D products. Click to set the length. Click here to edit angle. Next step after drawing, click Tool Setup to select the corresponding mold. Click Select Punch to manually select the mold. Select Die to modify the lower die. Next, select Bend Sequence. Click Sequence only to select the first step. Click Bend to simulate the bending. Click again and the system will automatically switch to the second step. Unbend can return to the previous step. Next, click Program to modify the bending parameters, including tonnage, dwelling time, opening distance and other parameters. Except for the fixed angle, other parameters can be modified. Select the second step to set specific parameters. After confirmation, click Auto. This is the numerical display interface. Click Graphical to switch to graphical display. Step 1. Step 2. Press the Run button to bend. Click Manual to enter manual mode. Method can select bending type, normal bending, flange bending, bottom bending. Here you can modify the bending length. Machine positioning, usually in the middle of the machine. If you set 1000 mm, it will automatically adjust. Here is the bending angle. 1 and 2 can compensate for the bending angle. If you fold out to 85 degrees or 95 degrees, you can adjust the angle here to -5 or +5. The target values of Y1, Y2 here are automatically calculated by the system. Mute is the speed conversion point, the conversion point from fast descent to slow descent. Opening is the opening distance. Force is the tonnage, which can be automatically calculated by the system or changed manually. Dwelling time. The unloading distance here is the distance of slow lifting, which is automatically calculated by the system and can be changed manually. Here is the slow descent speed. Here is the slow ascent speed. The default is 8 mm per second or 10 mm per second, except for electric servo press brake. Here is the bend return. The default is no. Here are the modifications of sheet thickness, sheet type, upper die and lower die. The forward and backward distance of the back gauge. Retract is the retreat distance. Our axis height setting. Deflect is the workbench compensation value. Here are the system settings including feet or millimeters, tonnage settings, language settings. You can modify the detailed parameters of the material. Backup and restore. The following is the system default value. And here you can modify the time. In the machine settings, click Punches to create a new upper die, enter parameters, and edit by drawing. Click Bottom Dies to create a new lower die, and you can also enter parameters and edit by drawing. Click Machine to adjust the machine finger parameters and edit the width and height. Position corrections are the corrections for the X-axis and R-axis. Here is the machine's operating hours. Here is the machine system version information. Click Update to update the software later. Backup system. Restore system. Here is the import of offline software. Press Run to start the machine.